Good morning. It's a beautiful, dark, and gloomy rainy day outside. The perfect weather to stay in the shop and work on something a little different. While everyone else is reaching for pink roses, I'm leaning into the macabre for Valentine's Day. This wooden coaster is titled, "A Heart from My Spooky Sweetheart." I love this Gothic animation style. We've got our happy couple in the graveyard, but instead of a box of chocolates, he's handing her a detailed, anatomical heart. It's sweet, in its own dark way. The challenge here is the fine line work. Getting the valves of the heart and the lace of the veil to pop without burning them away takes a delicate touch with the laser. I really wanted the wood grain to show through that graveyard sky, giving it a natural, misty look. You can hear the rain on the roof while I walk you through the build. There's something so therapeutic about the smell of burnt wood on a cold, wet morning. This is just the first of 2 Valentine's pieces this week. If you enjoyed this trip to the cemetery, stick around. The short for this one drops tomorrow, and the next long video arrives Friday. Stay spooky.